What if Earth suddenly had rings like Saturn? One morning, people around the world look up and see something impossible. Stretching across the sky from horizon to horizon is a gigantic ring system surrounding Earth. At first, nobody can explain it. Scientists rush to observatories. Satellites begin collecting data. The rings are made of billions of particles of ice, dust, and rock orbiting high above the planet. During the day, they create enormous shadows that move across continents. At night, they glow brilliantly, transforming the appearance of the sky forever. Humanity is witnessing the greatest visual change in history.
As the weeks pass, life begins adapting to Earth's new appearance. Cities become famous for their unique ring views. Tourists travel across the globe to watch sunsets beneath the celestial bands. The oceans reflect glowing arcs of light during the night. Scientists discover that the rings influence weather patterns and create unusual atmospheric effects. In some regions, giant shadows cool the surface temporarily. In others, reflected sunlight brightens the night sky. For the first time, every human shares a common wonder visible above them every single day.
The rings also transform space exploration. New observatories are built in orbit. Astronauts travel into the ring system to study its structure up close. Massive chunks of ice and rock drift silently around Earth. Researchers discover valuable resources hidden within the rings. Soon, mining operations and scientific stations appear in orbit. Humanity begins expanding beyond the planet faster than ever before. What started as a mysterious celestial phenomenon gradually becomes a gateway to a new era of technological growth and exploration. Decades later, the rings become part of human culture. Artists, musicians, architects, and filmmakers draw inspiration from the magnificent structures above. Children grow up knowing only a ringed Earth. Entire cities redesign their skylines to highlight the celestial view. New festivals celebrate unique ring alignments and seasonal lighting effects. Around the world, the rings become symbols of unity. No matter where people live, they all look up at the same extraordinary sight. The sky itself becomes humanity's greatest shared experience. As centuries pass, civilization expands into orbit. Space habitats are constructed near the rings. Giant research stations float among the ice particles. Advanced transportation systems connect Earth to orbital settlements. The rings become more than a natural wonder. They become part of human infrastructure. Entire industries depend on them. Future generations build cities in space and develop technologies using resources gathered from the ring system. Earth evolves into the center of a thriving orbital civilization, unlike anything imagined before. Thousands of years later, Earth's rings are woven into every part of human history. Future civilizations see them as a symbol of identity and progress. Travelers returning from distant planets recognize Earth instantly by its brilliant rings. Historians remember the day they first appeared as a turning point for humanity. But perhaps the greatest change was not scientific or technological. It was emotional. The rings reminded people that they live on a small world surrounded by wonders beyond imagination. And sometimes, looking up can change the future forever.